Hello, everybody. Here's our weekly note this week. It's October 19th. Completing this video is a requirement for your attendance question today. Just starting off with a few kind of agenda items. I have office hours every day, and I just want to make sure that we're all aware that you are welcome to Google Meet with me during these times if you ever have questions. From 11:06 to 11:36, kind of midday, and then 2:40 to 3:15 after school, unless I have a meeting. If you have any questions and you'd like to set up a Google Meet with me, just send me an email and use the Google Meet link at the top of our Schoology page. Attendance questions. If you are not in class, make sure that you're taking your attendance question every day and then completing the tasks for that day. I take attendance for distance learners and hybrid students not in school at the end of the school day. If you've not completed your attendance question at that time, you are marked absent. Always read directions. Make sure that if there are directions posted on a Schoology kind of part to your assignment or on a worksheet, that you read through all your directions carefully, just so that the expectations are clear for everyone. If you ever have a question, always ask. That'd be a great plan. Checkpoint quizzes. You'll only have one attempt now for checkpoint quizzes. Please make sure that you're thoughtful in your process, use your notes as a guide, and write your work out on notebook paper. That way, if you have a question, I can look at the work you have, and we can go from there. This week will be the week to go over your Chapter 1A test with me, and if you have the option, if you want the option to retake, if you did not meet the 80% benchmark and you've met all the other criteria, this is the week to do that. We will go over our 1A test in class today. Otherwise, distance learners, you are welcome to email me and we can set up a Google Meet and I can go over your test with you. Finally, make sure you're watching deadlines for full credit. The deadlines are most commonly seen on video days and quiz days. Make sure you're getting those things completed and submitting your picture of your notes by 11:59 on those days for full credit. Homework assignments you have a little bit more flexibility with so that you can correct your assignment and go through and rework any problems that you've missed. All right, let's look ahead at the next week and a half. Today, we'll go over our test in class and then work on the next worksheet. There's a quick little refresher video if you'd like to look at that, just to kind of clear up any directions that you may not have or may have questions on. And then tomorrow, correct that worksheet assignment and we'll do our final video lesson for topic or Chapter 1B. We're going to just cover 1.4 day 3. So please watch the video lesson, take detailed notes, use your notes on the checkpoint quiz, and then submit a picture of your notes for credit. Wednesday, we'll go over the quiz if anybody has questions. Wednesday is the retake day in class. If you are thinking that you'll want to retake the test for that 80%, try to reach that 80% benchmark, that will be on Wednesday in class. Otherwise, we'll all work on the 1.4 day 3 worksheet. If you are a distance learner, you'll have sometime this week that you'll need to set up and take your retake, if you choose to do so. Otherwise, Thursday and Friday, we're going to start preparing for our next summative assessment. Thursday, we're going to work on what's called a notes review worksheet. It's just a worksheet that will summarize your notes that you've taken so far for Chapter 1B. Completing this worksheet will allow you to use that notes review worksheet on the test. We're no longer using our notes packet, so just this review worksheet. It'll summarize everything and kind of keep it nice and organized, a little bit more user-friendly. Friday, you'll start your Chapter 1B review worksheet with practice problems related to everything we've covered so far. Monday in class, we'll turn in our homework and do some additional review. Distance learners, Monday will be the day that you submit everything online if you've not done so prior to that day. Tuesday, everyone will watch the next video lesson 1.5. It's actually in your Chapter 1B notes packet, but we're going to do a supplemental kind of quest for the last 2 lessons of this chapter. And then we'll take our test next week on Wednesday already. Students who are distance learners, you'll have a Google Meet for that test like we did before, but we have some different protocol for this next assessment. So look for an email from me. I will email you and the adults in your life to go over the new kind of changes in our process. Keeping all that in mind, if we go to our Schoology page, you'll notice today you're watching your weekly note. The attendance question today is based off of this video. A quick graphing refresher video. It's only like a minute and a half, I think, not even. And then please work on your 1.4 day 2 worksheet. So we have a big agenda in the next week and a half. Please reach out anytime you have questions, and we'll hopefully all get on the same page. Otherwise, have a wonderful week, and I look forward to talking with you soon. Thank you.